from the box. We broke an entire booster box. Challenge, that's a good one. That is a huge one. Even though it is a trainer, it is huge. The 3-someone wins the highest bidder of the night. So you have to be the highest bid of the night. It is from another box, yes. They are completely fresh from another box. We got a Slowpoke. A Squirtle, that is huge. A Voltorb. And this should be the one. If there is a holo, this is it. Pokemon, good luck. Dark Gyarados, holo! Yo! No print lines. What is that going for, AAC?
$1,200.
Last sold, PSA 10. Holo, right there. Clean as a whistle. Just like the oldies say it. Let's go. Congratulations, Weed! On that first edition Dark Gyarados holo. Woo! All right.